Welcome to Serbian Lesson 4. Today, we're going to learn the names of some regular household items. You're gonna learn so much, your brain is gonna say to your body, "Holy Jesus, did that just happen to me?" And the answer is gonna be, yes. Yes, it did. Welcome to the Gradual Report, where we gradually report. The first word we're going to learn is papuče. What is a papuče, you may ask? This is a papuča. Now, sometimes I have to fight crime. And when I have to fight crime, I usually put on my Superman papuče. Superman papuče. Papuče. Superman papuče. Apple. Jabuka.
Slatka jabuka u pičku materinu. That means it's a sweet apple. I'm trying to do a show.
Banana. Banana.
The differences are subtle, but they do exist.
Pear. Krušaka. Krušak. Cat. 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 Hi! Oh, life is so hard for you, isn't it? It's just so hard for you! Here, have some apple. She don't want any.
Nož. Nož. Nož.
Hleb. Hleba. Hleb. Hleb! Try not to react.
Kashiku.
Kashiku. Kashiku. Kashiku! Šta se dereš? Kashiku. Limuna. Limuna. Now, take these few words that I've given you and construct your very own sentences. I'd be curious to see what you come up with. My tasty little limuna kaplje means lemon drop. I'll see you tomorrow, where we continue our important work. Oh yeah! I attended a party over the weekend. I took some video of that party. The link is in the sidebar. Yes, it is. Mwah.